What if you want to send build status email only if the job fails? Which plugin or settings allows that in Jenkins? So this is part 1 when we want to send email only when the job fails. Let's see how do we achieve it. So first we need to install the email extension plugin. So we go to manage Jenkins, plugin, available, then search for the email extension plugin and install without restart. Then we need to configure the SMTP server. So we go to manage Jenkins, configure settings, then we fill these SMTP details like SMTP server address, from email authentication credentials if required. Then in your Jenkins file, add a post section with only a failure block that calls the email extension. This ensures that an email is sent only when the build fails. So first we set this to field for the email address of the recipient who should get the failure notifications. Next, set the subject to include job name and the build number. So the email subject can dynamically show the job name and build number. Then set the body to display the message build failed along with the build URL. So the recipient can click on this and view the build logs directly. Here you can see that Jenkins will send email to the developer team and the subject will automatically include the job name and build number from Jenkins. The email will show like a failure message with a clickable build URL. And that's how we send email when the job fails in Jenkins.